Hello everyone, hope you guys are having an amazing day. XRP is at around 48 cents, just ranging at this time. Now, today's video, it gets really real, guys. You guys don't want to know why? Because we told you guys to prepare a long time ago, and it's now finally coming into fruition. Check this out. This is absolutely just ridiculous. Now guys, we're to the fun part of XRP in the XRP community. Now, this is called Why? Interesting. Why? From Insider Paper. Just in, Russia's Deputy Chair of Security Council, Medvedev, quote, based on the proof of Western countries' complicity in blowing up the Nord Stream pipelines, we have none. Not even moral limitations left to refrain from destroying our enemies' undersea communications cables. Right? Now, it's truly about to begin. This is just crazy. In today's video, we explain why. Right? From Howard Moon and the undersea communication cables, guys, right? It's all about to go where? Bye-bye. Right? Now, this isn't even the scary part. Now, what is? Here we go. The Riddlers did tell us a long time ago, right? So, a large Telegram-based news outlet, based out of Russia, with over 3.9 million followers, Anonymous Sudan and Killnet are going to take down the European banking system in 24 or 48 hours, right? So this was posted yesterday. So basically it's now 24 hours, guys, tomorrow. And it connects with Friday. Pay attention here, okay? If you guys can like today's video, I really appreciate it, guys, because today we're going to we literally cracked the code. Listen to this. So Russian hacker group Killnet, together with Revel and Anonymous Sudan, promised to destroy European banks within 48 hours, right? Quote, this is not a DDoS attack. Games are over. No money, no weapons, no Kyiv regime. This formula will work. The person from Killnet promised. Wow. This is crazy, guys. Right? It's actually happening as we speak. So, they're talking about specifically what, guys? Taking down the European banking system. Right? And the narrative is brewing from Russia, right? So Russia taking down the European banking system. We already know the war situation that's going on, right? They're not targeting anything else, guys, but the banking system. Why? Because it's all about the banks, right? So if the banks go down, everything else will. Because money can't move, as it states right here. Literally, no money, no weapons, right? Guys, it's going to really actually start to begin, right? Killnet claims they'll launch a cyber attack against the SWIFT financial network within the next 48 hours, which is now 24 hours. So let's check this video out. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Let's prepare.
We are Anonymous Sudan. Today, we are a direct threat to all European banks. European banks, you will soon be witnessing the most powerful cyber attack in the recent history of the world. Be prepared, because when we strike, it will be too late to make amends. Many European banks will be targeted and we will hit without mercy.
The world has gone mad. The reason for this is money. If God rules Russia, then who rules Europe? That's right, the banking system. No money, no problem. Revel is sufficiently familiar with the European financial infrastructure. See you soon.
This is not a DDoS attack. Games are over. We call on all active groups to engage in destructive activities against the European banking system. No money, no weapons, no Kyiv regime. This is the formula for the death of Nazism, and it will work. Within 48 hours we are launching this global company. Nothing will save you, and this is not a warning. I am just informing you. You have.
And there we go, guys. We can't make any of this stuff up, right? So the thing with this is, guys, they actually told us beforehand. White House warns Americans to prepare for cyber attacks, right? And in this video right here, which is the X-Files, it states in this movie, or if I'm not sure if this is a show or movie, guys, but in here it tells us that
another shoe waiting to drop.
It'll probably start on a Friday. The banks will announce a security action necessitating their computers to go offline all weekend.
Digital money will do.
There you guys go. It will start on a Friday. They told us, guys, right? And tomorrow's what? Literally a Friday, right? The next 24 hours. 48 hours yesterday was it's Friday tomorrow. So come on, guys. And it's actually already beginning. Never mind tomorrow. Today it's happening. Justin, United States federal government agencies hit in global cyber attack. See, CISA working urgently to understand impacts. Whoa. This is crazy, guys, right? It's beginning. It's actually beginning, guys. We're not talking about Russia or Ukraine here or the European Central Bank. We're talking about America, right? The federal government's agencies hit in global cyber attack. Oh, it's actually global. Guys, this is crazy, right? Interesting. Narrative for the big one. Exactly, guys. This is all preparation for the big one. A problem, reaction, solution. We're going to explain how Mr. Poole told us a long time ago. And we're not joking because this is from CNN, guys, right? So this is how we know it's real. Look at the image they used as well. Very interesting, guys. And they go into further detail about this whole situation, right? They're talking about Russian hackers. All different things, guys. Now, let's prepare. Because Mr. Poole told us a long time ago, here we go, hurry up, right? It's actually approaching. Soon it will be too late. Why? Mr. Poole liked to tweet a long time ago. This way right here, any cyber attack will be an inside job to usher in the new financial system they will control. Problem, reaction, solution. So, it's game over, guys. They told you a long time ago, right? So the cyber attack will occur, guys, which will be, the problem will be, a cyber attack, a catastrophic one, is hitting everyone. The reaction of the people, and then the new system or the solution will be the new system that which they will control. By the way, things will be centralized, don't you say? Now, here are more connections to Mr. Poole and cyber attacks, right? All code right here, anonymous, so to speak. You can't see his face, or more so the control center, guys, which is fascinating. If you go down here, right, and there you have it. Prophecy as you see it, right? US banks prepare for cyber attacks, which will connect to that movie or show, the X-Files. Mr. Poole liked this tweet as well. Lithuania is hit by cyber attacks after ultimatum from Russian killnet hackers. Wow, right? ICE 9 will be a global and simultaneous event. It has been in the works for decades. ICE 9 meaning everything's frozen in time, right? Literally everything is, guys. Even Schwab stated it. So we're not making any of this stuff up. More connections to cyber attacks from Mr. Poole, right? Turning it off. So he's obviously telling us botnets. He's obviously telling us to prepare for this upcoming event, guys, right? America, which will connect to cybersecurity. I don't know, guys. This is so crazy, right? Even SWIFT right here. Wow. Which obviously connect to the European Central Banks, right? Or the banking system entirely. As you guys can see, wow, computers breaking, guys, are getting smashed, torn apart, right? More so like a cyber attack. And 3.11.11.3 right there. Shh. But you know what's fascinating about this is, check this out. Did anyone notice the smiley face on the killnet video? Right, exactly. From Mr. Poole. Literally, guys. Wait a minute, what? He knows. They're definitely in the know, guys. We're definitely in good hands, and we'll be on the right side of history. Why? It's coming. Remember from Mr. Poole as well. More connections.
Urging private sector partners to take immediate action to shore up their defenses against potential cyber attacks. We've previously warned about the potential for Russia to conduct cyber attacks against the United States, including as a response to the unprecedented economic costs that the U.S. and allies and partners impose in response to Russia's further invasion of Ukraine. Today, we are reiterating those warnings. And we're doing so based on evolving threat intelligence that the Russian government is exploring options for potential cyber attacks on critical infrastructure in the United States.
2023 is the year, it seems like. Wait, what?
Look, today my administration issued a new warning.
Oh, and I wanted to mention that she was talking about Russia, more specifically Russia. We'll talk about my tweet here soon. Pay attention.
That based on evolving intelligence, Russia may be planning a cyber attack against us.
Russia.
As I said, the magnitude of Russia's cyber capacity is fairly consequential, and it's coming. The federal government is doing its part to get ready, but under U.S. law, as you all remember, the private sector, all of you, largely decides the protections that we will or will not take. But look, today my...
There you guys go, right? And this was the same tweet drop as well, sudden death, which means I'm guessing America, right? Or the computers, all sorts of stuff, guys. Q proof verified as well, which we have seen, right? 40% of NATO electronic infrastructure offline. DDoS attack by Russian hackers. Guys, this is 100% pre-planned, right? Russia's in it with America, in it with Come on, they're all on the same side, guys, right? To bring upon one system, the new financial system, right? Now, what are the chances C19 narrative kill date plus 1 day tomorrow is 4/11/11/4, right? And here's more connections right there, guys. Fancy bear. Interesting. Now, it will happen on a Friday, right? Problem, reaction, solution. It's crazy, guys. It truly is going to happen on a Friday, right? Because everything will be offline. Because everything will be offline during the weekend, right? Everything is going to be halted. Does that mean the new footage? Just wait a minute. If everything goes offline on Friday, 3 days, we're into Monday, and then we then see a new financial system appear in front of our faces, right? That's so crazy. Not to mention, Schwab stated it a long time ago, guys,
Sufficient
right?
attention
Come on.
to the frightening scenario
Which is what?
of a comprehensive cyber attack.
Oh, you don't say Schwab? Of course, right? Even he stated a great collapse on the horizon, guys.
There's going
In the next few weeks.
in the next 2 weeks, we've been warned. There's going to be darkness.
Darkness, right? Let everything go down, guys. You guys ready? Things are going to get hectic here. Things will get hectic. This comes not even 24 hours after the cyber threats on Swift. This narrative is almost deafening. Be aware of sudden events, unexpected, world shattering, right? As you guys can see right here.
Like you may have already spent too much time in China.
Breaking news out of Brussels this evening. A cyber attack on SWIFT, the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, has resulted in the theft of $3 billion from commercial banks based in Germany, Saudi Arabia, and the UAE.
Wow.
Our intelligence agencies assess with moderate confidence that North Korea is behind the attack, potentially with an aim to drive more users to the digital yuan system. At the broader strategic level, the PBOC has been presenting its digital currency infrastructure as an alternative to SWIFT, referring to the traditional payment system as outdated and highly vulnerable to security threats. Over 2 years ago, in 2019, PBOC's Deputy Director of Payments said, "The digital yuan is open for external connection. We are developing it for our trade partners if they want to join. This work is already ongoing and test connections already exist." Chinese authorities claim that the digital yuan infrastructure is fully portable. Countries can create different instances of the system, selecting their own
So
banks
basically,
and
they're
payments
talking
providers
about
as network
digital yuan, right? How everything will head towards digitization, right? Or digitalization, guys.
For retail online digital, increasingly digital world. The old system just isn't cutting it anymore.
Exactly, and
which
means
the trajectory of that is that it's just going to keep on getting worse and worse and worse.
Which means there needs to be a new a solution,
to provide for
right? Which is XRP, the new financial system, which will connect to certain other cryptocurrencies included as well. From Howard Moon, the symbol on his sunglasses would connect to Cyber Polygon from the WEF, right? About cyber attacks. They conduct various global organizations to train their, or more so simulation attacks on what would happen if a global catastrophic cyber crisis, a cyber attack were to occur, right? And you guys can see right there, a lot of connections, guys. So let's prepare. Oh wow, we go down here, check that out. From Jim Rickards, right? The sunglasses. Interesting. Let's prepare. Now, I tweeted this literally on June 10th, 2023, guys, right? It's too clear and too easy to remember this tweet. The game plan, a virus will run loose internally, which equals to a cyber attack, right? And it will be contagion issues. Who will be blamed? Russia? China? Someone else? Possibly, but more likely the sun. No, banks not safe. United States not safe, EU not safe. Interesting. Both are getting hit today and tomorrow. Today, United States got hit. Tomorrow, it seems like EU from the banking system, from Kiln and other anonymous groups. Global misinformation overnight. It's here, isn't it? From Mr. Poole. Seek safety in the event of 3/11, 9/11, 11/31. Internal spreading worldwide. Internal meaning a virus running loose, right? In the computers. Internally. But I don't know if it's so the sun will probably be, I don't know if the sun can, if they could make the sun narrative, I don't know how they can make the sun connect to the cyber attacks, guys, right? I don't know if there's a way for that. So the sun will probably be blamed for the blackouts, but the cyber attacks will be blamed for or on a different country, right? As it states right there. So I don't know, guys. I mean, we do know. It's quite clear. So let's prepare for the day, guys, because it seems like we are very near. Now, the fountain for today's video comes from Baba Cooks. XRP will be $10,000 plus, as we can see right here, right? All in front of our faces, guys. I mean, with all the events that's happening right now, I could easily see XRP at that certain price, guys, right? Especially if it's the heart of the new financial system. Not financial advice, not financial advice, and not financial advice. Let's be prepared. But anyways, that's so for you guys. Amazingness. See ya.